In October, I told you about the precedent it sets. So today, what SB375 costs Cobb County. Cobb County built a knowledge economy. Kennesaw State University, with 43,000 students, generates $1.2 billion in annual economic impact. Strong technical colleges and educated workforce attracting sophisticated businesses. Senate Bill 375 threatens that entire ecosystem. SB 375 adds Hinduphobia to state discrimination law, antagonistic attitudes towards Hinduism, never defines Hinduism or Hindu or what constitutes antagonistic attitudes. Universities that receive state funding must investigate discrimination complaints. KSU will face Hinduphobia complaints about faculty research. A KSU professor researches how governments use legal systems to target minorities. She publishes peer-reviewed analysis of India's communication shutdown in Kashmir, the longest internet blackout ever imposed by a democracy affecting 7 million people. Someone files a Hinduphobia complaint, KSU must investigate whether this scholarship constitutes antagonistic attitudes towards Hinduism. A different professor researches government demolitions. Human Rights Watch has documented authorities bulldozing Muslim homes as collective punishment. Another Hinduphobia complaint, investigation required. A graduate student writes a thesis on religious freedom violations. Complaint claims antagonistic attitudes. Watch what happens. KSU administration instructs faculty to avoid research topics that generate complaints. Department chairs discourage controversial thesis topics, curriculum gets sanitized. Academic freedom dies through institutional risk management. When KSU cannot recruit competitive faculty because Georgia makes research legally hazardous, enrollment suffers. Lower enrollment means less student spending in Cobb, housing, retail, tax revenue. When businesses requiring political risk analysis see Georgia University sanitizing curriculum, they locate elsewhere. KSU's $1.2 billion impact depends on academic credibility. SB 375 undermines it. SB 375 also applies to Cobb County employees. A county planner discusses India's politics during lunch break. Citizenship revocations, conversion bans. Someone files a complaint. HR investigates whether discussing documented government actions equals religious discrimination. Senator Sean Still admits his legislation came from conversations with Kona and the Hindu PAC of Georgia. Leaders and donors from both organizations have also been activists with the Overseas Friends of the BJP, registered with the Justice Department as a foreign agent for India's Hindu nationalist ruling party. These same activists donated to Still's campaign. He took their money, pushed their legislation. Other counties are watching what Cobb does. Your size matters. Pass a resolution opposing SB 375. State clearly Cobb's knowledge economy depends on academic freedom at KSU. You oppose legislation making scholarly inquiry legally hazardous. Oppose SB 375. And I have an information handout for every member of the commission. Thank you.